In this video, we will learn about how to create a simple registration page using various input elements of HTML5 as well as styling it by using CSS3 properties. So to create a simple web page, you need an editor. So for this purpose, we are using Notepad++ as an editor. So to begin, first of all, we write the doc type element of HTML5. Then we start with the HTML element. We include the head tag in it. We will provide a title to it. The title will be registration page. And we will close the title bar. We will close the head also. Now we will start with the main body part of the HTML. We will give a background color to it. The BG color we give will be maroon. Now we include the header element h1 to give a title to the registration page. Now we start with the form element. Form action. We will give a link so that it will be redirected to this link. For example, we will give it google.com so that whenever we will submit the form, it will be redirected to the Google website. Method attribute, which will be post. That's all. Now we will include the various input elements in the forms which are required to be submitted so that we can fill the registration page. First of all, we will start with the label element to provide a particular label name. The label name will be fill in your first and last name. Input type will be text. Placeholder will be first name. Autofocus attribute is also included in it so that the focus is directly shifted in this block whenever you load a page, so that the focus will directly shift on this block element. And we also include the required attribute so that the user will not skip this input type and user has to fill the property in it. Similarly, we will give input type is equal to text. Placeholder is equal to last name, and we will give the required attribute so that it is compulsorily filled. Now we will provide the BR tag so that a line is included in between the two input elements. Now for another input element, we will write label, enter your password. We will close the label element. We will write input type is equal to password, name is equal to password, placeholder we will not include, and we will include the required attribute so that it is compulsorily filled. Now we will include a BR tag. Similarly, we will include another input element. We'll just copy paste it. Instead of enter your password, once again we will write confirm your password, and rest all will be same. Now we will include label, enter your birth date, and we will close the label tag. Input type will be date, name will be birthday, and we will also include the required attribute. BR tag is also included so that there is a space in between. Now we will include the telephone number. Enter your mobile number. Input type will be number, name will be mobile number, placeholder will be any number 95, and we will set the maximum length to 10 because the mobile digit number can be maximum up to 10 digits. It cannot be further more than 10. So we will set it to maximum length as equal to 10, and we will close the input type. Now we will include enter your favorite hobby. Sorry, select your favorite hobby, and we will close the label tag. Now we will include a select option in it. Select name is equal to hobby, and we will include the options in it. Option value cricket, the first option, and now we will close the option tag. Similarly, for other options, we will write the values as option value is equal to 2. Now we'll write here football. We will close the option tag. Similarly, to provide more options, we will write various other sports name so that the user can click on any value and select his favorite hobby as he likes. Here we will write value 3 and we will make this cricket as carom, and we will make this as badminton. And thus now we will close the select option and we will include the BR tag so that the space is included. So now this also input element is added. Now we will add a final input element which is given by input input type is equal to submit, so that the user can submit the form. Name is also submit. Value is equal to submit. Similarly, if the user wants to reset the form page, so that button will also be provided by including input type is equal to reset. Name is equal to reset and value is that's all. Now we'll close the form tag. We'll close the body tag. And we'll close the HTML tag. Now we will save this file by typing Ctrl S. We will save it on a desktop and we will write the file name as form.html. The extension should be .html. It is compulsory for all the HTML web pages, and we will click on save button. As soon as you will save it, in this Notepad++ editor, the run option is given in the top so that we can run it automatically. So we'll launch it in Chrome. As soon as we launch, we will see that our web page is displayed. The registration page, which is the title we had given by using the header element h1, the first name which is included, and the second name. Then we will type the password, then we will confirm the password, then we can select the birth date from this chart which is given in Google editor. Then we can write the mobile number by using this Springer control, and we can select the values, but it can be up till 10 only. Similarly, we can select the favorite hobby as per the choices which are given in the select list, and finally we can submit. So for example, I will type my name XYZ, last name Sheikh. I will give password as QWERTY. I will confirm my password QWERTY. I will select my birth date as 7th 6th 1998. I will type my mobile number. I will select my favorite game as football, and I will click on submit button. As soon as I click on submit button, I will be redirected to the given link which I typed in the action element. This is how we create a simple registration page for any website. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood it. Please like and subscribe.